हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो? सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी द सेट बिल्डर representation of A cross B. You know that A cross B is a set. So if it is a set, it should have its set builder form. So it's very simple. So we are going to see set builder representation of A cross B. Is it clear? So A cross B consists of ordered pair. So ordered pair I have written like this, A comma B, where you know that A came from capital A set and B came from capital B set. So my dear students, this is the set builder representation of A cross B. Is it clear? Okay. So now we are going to see some important points to note. Important point. ठीक है बच्चों? So the first important point you are going to study is that you know this already. N of A equal to suppose P, N of B is suppose Q, then N of A cross B, you know it is P into Q. Is it clear? Second property says that if A or B, any one is an infinite set, then you can say that A cross B is also infinite. Is it clear? So this you can say something like this. Suppose I have N of A as small letter P, N of B I am having as infinity. Suppose this is infinite set, then N of A cross B, you know it is N of A into N of B, which is P into infinity, and the answer is infinity. Is it clear? It's simple. Number 3 property says that if A or B is null set, then A cross B is also null set. For example बच्चों, N of A अगर मान लीजिए P है और N of B मान लीजिए null set है. Null set यानी that is no, you will write as 0 because this is the number of element present in B. Null set, it has no element. Then N of A cross B, what is the formula बच्चों? N of A into N of B. N of A की जगह में लिखेंगे आप P into 0. What is the answer बच्चों? 0. So that means the number of element present in A cross B is 0. It has no element. When A cross B has no element, that means A cross B is a null set. ये बच्चों तीसरा. फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी बच्चों ध्यान से देखिए, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. 2 ordered pair are equal if their corresponding first and second elements are equal to each other। ठीक है बच्चों, जैसे आपका ऑर्डर्ड पेयर मान लीजिए 1,2 है, so 1,2 must be equal to 1,2 in the sense here the first element is 1, here also the first element is 1, and here the second element is 2, here the second element is 2। बच्चों ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, 2,1 नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर 1,2 है so it has to be 1,2। सो यानी दो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर को तब इक्वल बोलेंगे जब दोनों का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट और दोनों का सेकंड एलिमेंट सेम हो। ठीक है बच्चों, तो ये छोटी सी बात हो गई सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी को लेके और इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को लेके बच्चों। तो इसको नोट्स में बढ़िया से लिख लीजिए। नेक्स्ट क्लास विल गेट इनटू एग्जांपल 1 एंड एग्जांपल 2, राइट।